Good morning, student. My name is Roshan. Today, today we will discuss creating a table in design view. Previous video we have discussed how to create database and what is the database. Okay. Now let's see how to create table in design view. First of all, start Microsoft Access and create blank database. After that, the blank database appear dataset view. Then click the create tab. Okay, this is the tab, create tab. After that, the create tab even appear on the screen. Then from the table group, click the table design icon. Where we click table design icon. The table design view window appear on the screen. Then in the field name column, enter the required column names like roll number, student name, marks of English subject, maths marks, science marks. Okay. Then in data type column, click a cell and drop down arrow appear. Then click on drop down arrow to select the data type. Auto number, text, number. Select the required data type for columns. In description column, enter the required description. Save the tables as student mark. After that, save the table of student marks. The student marks table in design view appear. This is the design view. Okay. Now switching to dataset view. Microsoft have two type of dataset view. Dataset and second is design view. So how to switching dataset to design view and design view to dataset view. Let's see our screen. Click on home tab. Where we click home tab, then the home tab appear on the screen. Then click on view groups. Okay, this is the view groups. A drop down list. When we click view, the drop down list appear. Okay, so here select, click the dataset view option. The table appear in the dataset view. This type of table, this is a dataset view. Okay, now let's see how to inserting data into table. First of all, click the field in which you want to insert data. Then enter the required data. Press the shift key or press the shift key or arrow key to move the one field to another field. Then primary and horizon key. Primary and horizon key. First of all, what is the primary key and horizon key? Primary key are used to create relationship between two tables. Okay. Create relationship between two common fields, combine two tables. Primary key is a unique key used to identify the field of records. Suppose roll number have one records, not duplicate roll numbers. So roll number is a primary key. Primary key of one table becomes the foreign key of the others. Now, how to set primary key in Microsoft Access? First of all, right click on the required table, then a shortcut menu appear on the screen, then click on design view option. After that, the table appear in the design view, then select the required field where setting the primary key. Then click on design tab. The design tab appear on the screen. This type of window appear. Okay. So here this is the primary key. From the tools group, click on the primary key icon. Then a key symbol appear on the left of selected field. Roll number. Roll number is a primary key because roll number is a unique value of database. Okay. Now, next point is the creating a relationship. So how to create relationship? Let's see step by step. First of all, close all the table in work area. Then click on database tools tab. Where we click database tools tab. The database tool tab appear on the screen. Then from relationship groups, click the relationship icon. Then this type of table show student marks and student record. Then hold the shift key and click the required table. Then click on add button. The fields of both the tables appear on the relationship window. To show the relationship window, click the close button to close show table dialog box. From the first table, drop the primary key to second table's primary key, the edit relationship box also. You can also edit the relationship box appear. Then click the create button. A line appear between two tables. It means relationship created. Okay. So, okay student, I hope you understood very well in this Microsoft Access topic. So today is over. Thank you. Bye.